Flock cameras. Law enforcement loves them, says they are a big help in finding missing persons and suspects in various crimes. On the flip side, community members feel they pose a definite invasion of privacy risk and they don't want them used where they live. Tonight, a local man has filed a lawsuit claiming Genesee County and Flock are withholding data which he believes should be public. Good evening. It's nice to be back with you. I'm Mike Woolfolk.
It's nice to have you back, and I'm Stella Daskalakis. The lawsuit alleges the county would not release flock camera records to a Kettering University student who requested specific data through the Freedom of Information Act. Mid-Michigan Now's Courtney Bennett is here with more. Courtney, you've spoken with the student and his attorney. What did you find out?
The argument here is that the county denied the request for specific information because they say that data belongs to Flock Safety, which is a private company. However, according to Flock Safety, Genesee County, as the customer in this case, owns everything collected.
If we expect the government to be able to convince us that, these type of cameras should be accepted by society, we need the government to provide the evidence and to be transparent about what the cameras are doing currently.
Joshua Tawolda is a senior at Kettering University. He lives in Genesee County and says in February he asked for specific information collected through Flock cameras.
I asked for the contract that they had with Flock, audit logs of the cameras, of who the data was being shared with, photographs of my own vehicle's license plate, and the last one was locations of the camera, so where exactly in Genesee County they were at.
His request denied. He appealed and lost that as well. That's when he contacted the Mackinac Center for Public Policy. Steve DeLee is the senior attorney.
The lawsuit alleges a couple of things, but the main claim is that this data, which the county claims is Flock's, is by contract the county's data. That makes it accessible to citizens like Josh under our Freedom of Information Act.
DeLee says his question surrounding this case is,
can our local governments in Michigan outsource their obligation to be transparent to third-party private contractors?
This lawsuit is not about whether we should have Flock cameras or should not have Flock cameras. This lawsuit is about whether the government should be transparent enough to give us the information that the public needs to make an informed decision about these cameras.
DeLee says he hopes this case sets a path to more transparency.
Whether it's this case or the University of Michigan Athletic Department investigation, examples like that really prevent us from getting the information that we as citizens need to have to be able to hold government accountable.
The lawsuit requests the release of all the data Joshua asked for. I did reach out to Genesee County's communication director for comments. I have not heard back. For now, live in the studio, Courtney Bennett, Mid-Michigan Now.
Thank you, Courtney. There is a website you can use to find out if flock cameras have tracked your car. It is haveibeenflocked.com. The page indicates it gathers audit logs using Freedom of Information Act requests to track activity within the Flock system. You type in your license plate number and it will tell you if your car has appeared in a Flock search.